Okay guys, so see we are doing stuffed fish here now. So we are going grease with foil paper when we are put on with fish pan. You understand? Yeah man. Grease with foil paper, nice. You do that? Woo! Yes man. Look at that. See that? And as long as you have that man, you drop your fish in it like so. But before you do nothing else, guys, you make sure say you stuff your fish. So you take your stuffing, there you go. Give them a close shot on the fish and the stuffing. Give them a close shot on the fish and the stuffing, guys. See? Wow. Just put that in there, so man. Shake that off. Bam. See that, guys? Look at the ingredients in it. Wow. Look at that. You see that? Wow. See that? Yes, man. And you stuff that nicely, man. You make sure say it's stuffed until here ingredients are bad. See it? Look. See that, guys? Oh, yeah, man. You don't need nothing more than that. Cover back the thing. Cover back your butter. Alright? See it there now? Take out some more butter. Because butter is your best friend, you know. You make sure the butter there underneath where the tail are there. You make sure them place there, because them place that we make when you take off your file paper, you can't deal with your thing properly. You understand? Yes, man. And you have to make sure so you deal with the thing properly. Put your fish on top. Put your butter on top, sorry. And make sure so when the file paper come over. Butter is there. Hands have to clean, you know. Your hands have to clean and ready for do this. Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. Look at that. And then what we are going to do now, we are going to do the bad man thing now. We are pull this little bit forward, a little forward, and wipe off. We butter off with knife and see if we can run it round and some little place where we know so we're going to deal with. Bam. Turn your fish like that, guys. Make sure you turn the board and you wrap your belly end in first. See that? Bring that down there, so man. Yes. And you pull that down and then you lift. You must see your butter there, so you know, guys. You lift and you wrap. Lift. Bam. See that? Quick and fast. Easy. Look at that. See tail? Wrap that under, guys. See that? Wrap that under. Boom. You lock that up. So. And you lock that up. So, guys. Bam. See that? Woo! Lock that. Lock that under. Steam, I'm going to go this, you know. Yes, man. Now put one bully per bag of file paper for anything. Look at that, guys. Bam! Number one down. Okay? So you can just rest that over there, so. Number two or second. Okay, guys? Look, make sure so you have your season, you put that back, and then you get your file paper. Okay, so here again. Put on my file paper and I get my butter. I'm going to take off a piece. Okay, guys, and I rub it over my file paper where my fish is going to be lying down. Okay, guys. Yeah, see that, guys? Drop in your fish in that and then you wipe off your butter and by your fish. See that? Yes, man. And then you make sure so you pull your stuff in now. See? Stir that up because you want everything to mix in that, guys. Get a little spoon. Wow, push it full up a fish belly, man. Yes, man. See that? See that? See that, guys? Full of fish belly of food. Because you're going to get it, you know. So the fuller the fish belly is, it's better for you. Take up that too. Nah, nothing that way. Okay? What are we doing, guys? We're stuffing your tilapia fish. Quick and easy. Okay, guys? See that? Look at that, guys. Yes, man. Enough people never know say the tilapia could do certain things, but most Jamaicans know this because sometimes, you know, we have to work with the cheaper fish. So this got, let me give a little bit of history about this fish now. It's a little bit cheaper than the sea fish, but sea fish kind of hard to get because you know, say, the fisherman them now go see, you know. Okay, guys? Yeah, man. I'm going to have a how to brown stew, how to fry, how to all of that, man. So just keep watching Kev's Adventurous Food Journey. Okay? Yeah, man. On YouTube. And remember, like, share, and subscribe. Don't stop do that because your support are going to make me go on. You know. We not do this for the money, really, you know. But if the money come, thanks. We are welcoming it. Okay, guys? Yeah, man. So, but we are doing this because of the love. I love to cook. I love to cook while I listen to music. I love these things. I understand that anybody will know me knows that Kevin always are do cooking, running restaurants, all of that. Okay, guys? So I'll have a video. We're kind of letting you guys a little bit on who I am and what I've been doing and my life story, you know? And all of my passion, school, all of these things. Okay, see? Finish with this one. Wrap him up. Wrap up time now, guys. See him like the first one. You lift him, you put him under, and then you roll him over. Make sure that the tail is proper and this then. Then you roll him over, guys. You see? This is the most of your butter. What happened to your butter? You see it? Your butter basically in your file paper, just to keep the file paper. You see that? Yeah, man, so that's why you don't have to worry about them something there too much. Okay? So your paper wrap up in the file paper. Some on your fish, some on your file paper. See it, guys? This is the area that you make sure that it's enclosed. You see that? Bam. One more fish. One more done. Okay, guys? Diamond file, original file paper from ever since. Okay? Okay, so this fish is not so big, so make me roll back some of my file paper. I had this thing this today, guys, but we have to conserve, you know? We're in a time now where we can't even get certain things, so we have to conserve. Yeah, man. We're done with that now. Bam. Get the butter, as usual. And bam, bam. Yes, man. And then we do the same thing. See, guys? Nice pretty tilapia fish. Okay? I do 3 because it's for 3 persons. I'm doing these for. Okay? Yeah, man, let me get a whole heap of request people see me on the road and I say, listen, why can't I do some yardy fish? Why can't I do some tilapia? You know, cheap, poor people fish. And I say, you call poor people fish? After no fish not cheap. Because these fish can run you up to 500 a pound, you know. Yeah, man. Up to 500 a pound. So I don't know where them call cheap. Like something is for 500 a pound. You know? We're cheap there. Cheap not there nowhere near there, so. Okay, we are stuff that one in belly because he's a little bit smaller. So we are give the person that is going to be eating more food inside to eat more vegetable. Okay. Yeah man, so as you can see, him stuff to the T. Okay. Yes man. Alright. Yeah man. So we are listening to some nice little beats, you know, while we cook and wrap, or while we wrap, preparing to cook our tilapia, roast tilapia fish. Okay guys, yes man, you just use your knife and scrape off your finger like so. Okay, yes man, direct how to video this you are getting. It's a run through video. This video is showing you how to do it. Okay guys, see? You bring it round, line. You see? Push it over. And make sure it's the butter and your file paper wrap underneath. And you do that, and you do that, and you do that. You wrap that over, man. You do the same. You wrap that over again, and you do the same. See it there? See it there? See it there? See it there, guys. Okay? Make sure it is wrapped properly. And then you close in the head. And after you want this to soak, you know, this will have the most bone and stuff. So, bam. See it there, guys. Let's wrap and ready now to rock and roll. Okay guys, so see me I put up my little things them, so just wash my hands now guys. Clean out my counter guys. Remove these out of my way and put these utensils out of my way guys. Sweep off my thing and straighten up back my thing. So now guys, you see these that you're seeing that is being displayed here is our garnish. All of the ingredients them where we go down now to steam up my bami. Okay guys, so let me show you now how I'll be cutting my bami. Same way like how I cut them up the other day. Okay guys, so see, kind of separate it, catch it over from my fish there so. And you have your bami and you cut that in two man. You understand? And then you cut that again. Because we're going to steam them bigger now. You understand? Yeah man, eat and full belly bami there now. Okay guys, yeah? Yes man. And remember show you the last time? Don't it? Okay. See that? Just catch them in your plate like that. And put them right there. You see it guys? You have your right knife. I tell you about the knife guys. You can go get one. Slide through anything now. So you give them some quarter slice now. For the little younger ones then, you know, my little son or so. You know? That's it. And then you cut that so. Nice? Yes man. That have some of it. Maybe me fry some, maybe me steam some, but it's mainly for steaming, okay? Yeah man. So stick and stay. Next time you see this fish and this bami, and this fish, you know what I'm going guys? soon come.